In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a task into a project in Wrike. If you've been using Wrike for your project management needs, you might find yourself looking to upgrade a task to a full-fledged project. This is a straightforward process, and in just a few minutes, you'll be able to easily manage your tasks with greater flexibility and structure. Let's walk through this step by step. First off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Wrike. You can do this by typing Wrike into the search bar and hitting Enter. Accessing Wrike's homepage is simple from this point. If you already have an account, click on the Login button to sign in. Alternatively, if you're new to Wrike or want to explore its features first, there's the option to try Wrike for free. Once you are logged in, navigate to the section where your task is located. This could be within a folder, a project, or a workspace. Everyone organizes their tasks differently, so make sure you're moving into the right area to locate your specific task that needs converting. After you've found the folder, project, or workspace, click to open the task's details. This action will bring up the item view of the task, allowing you to see all the relevant information and options associated with it. Next, in the upper right corner of this item view, you'll notice a menu button represented by 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the 3-dot menu. Give that a click. This menu is your gateway to various actions you can perform on the task. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select the option labeled Change Item Type. You're halfway there, and things are about to get even simpler. Upon clicking Change Item Type, you'll see a list of available item types that you can convert your task into. For this tutorial, you'll want to select Project. This choice expands the functionality of the task, allowing for more detailed project management features. Once you've selected Project, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your selection. Don't worry, this is just to make sure that you intended to convert from a task to a project, as this action cannot be undone easily. When you're ready, click Change Item Type to finalize the process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully converted your task into a project in Wrike, which will allow you to leverage more organizational and collaborative tools that are perfect for managing larger, more complex workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.